Are you ready to take your content to the next level? With AI tools, creating stunning visuals has never been easier. Say goodbye to outdated and unappealing media. Introducing Haiper AI, the all-in-one solution for video generation and editing. Now you can be a full-time content creator without needing any special skills. With Haiper AI, you'll effortlessly produce professional-grade visuals that captivate your audience. Introduction. Haiper, the cutting-edge platform for AI video creation, brings you a future of content production. Create dynamic 2 or 4 second videos effortlessly by typing text or uploading images. As we're currently in beta, Haiper is completely free to use. Revolutionize your content creation process with Haiper's intuitive interface and advanced artificial intelligence technology. Whether you're a seasoned professional or new to video editing, Haiper makes it easy to produce stunning visuals in no time. Stay tuned for other intriguing facts that will be covered in the course of the video. Here are 5 key features that distinguish Haiper AI. 1. Script importing. Haiper empowers users to import their scripts effortlessly, enabling seamless integration of existing content into the video creation process. Whether it's from a marketing campaign, a screenplay, or a social media post, Haiper ensures that your narrative flows smoothly onto the screen. 2. Customizable artificial intelligence-generated visuals. With Haiper, users have full control over the visual elements of their videos. From choosing the style and color palette to adjusting animations and transitions, Haiper allows for extensive customization, ensuring that each video reflects the creator's unique vision. 3. Efficient pre-production process. Haiper streamlines the pre-production phase, reducing the time and effort required to bring ideas to fruition. By automating tasks such as storyboard creation and visual asset selection, Haiper enables users to focus on the creative aspects of storytelling without getting bogged down by logistics. 4. Time-saving solutions. By leveraging artificial intelligence technology, Haiper helps users save valuable time in the video creation process. With quick rendering times and intuitive editing tools, Haiper enables users to produce high-quality videos efficiently, allowing them to meet tight deadlines and stay ahead of the competition. 5. Enhanced storytelling. With its quick and consistent visual aids, Haiper empowers creators to enhance their storytelling capabilities. Whether it's through dynamic animations, engaging graphics, or compelling transitions, Haiper enables users to captivate their audience and convey their message effectively, driving engagement and brand recognition. Tutorial. Creating text-to-video prompts on the Haiper app is a breeze thanks to its user-friendly interface and efficient workflow. To get started, simply navigate to the Creations menu located on the left side of the web app interface. Once there, choose the option for creating a video with text prompts by selecting the Create Video with Text (HE) button. From here, you can input your desired text prompt and hit the Create button to kickstart the video generation process. Once your prompt is submitted, Haiper will queue your video for rendering, allowing you to seamlessly continue working on other tasks without any interruptions. Typically, the rendering process takes approximately 1 to 2 minutes to complete, ensuring a swift turnaround time for your projects. Once your video is rendered, head back to the Creations menu to view your results. Here, you'll have the option to download the video directly to your device, add it to your favorites for easy access in the future, or share it directly from the app to your preferred platforms. With Haiper's streamlined process and intuitive interface, creating engaging videos with AI has never been more accessible. Whether you're a seasoned content creator or just starting out, Haiper empowers you to bring your ideas to life with ease, allowing you to focus on crafting compelling narratives and captivating visuals without the hassle of complex editing software. Advantages. Haiper's accessibility sets it apart from Sora's closed beta model, making it a standout choice for creators of all levels. While Challanges may have gained recognition for its high-quality video generation, Haiper's public demo democratizes access to its innovative tools. This means that aspiring creators, regardless of their background or experience, can jump right in and explore Haiper's capabilities firsthand. By offering a public demo, Haiper fosters a culture of inclusivity and empowerment, inviting users to unleash their creativity without barriers. Unlike Challanges' restricted beta environment, Haiper's open approach encourages exploration, experimentation, and collaboration within a vibrant community of creators. Here are the top 5 uses of Haiper AI. 1. Content creation for social media. Haiper AI is a game-changer for social media marketers, enabling them to effortlessly create eye-catching videos for platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. With Haiper's intuitive interface and artificial intelligence-powered video generation capabilities, users can quickly produce engaging content to captivate their audience and boost engagement. 2. Marketing campaigns. Haiper AI empowers businesses to streamline their marketing efforts by generating compelling videos for advertising campaigns. Whether it's promoting a new product, showcasing customer testimonials, or highlighting brand values, Haiper enables marketers to create professional-grade videos that resonate with their target audience and drive results. 3. Educational content. Haiper AI is a valuable tool for educators and online course creators looking to enhance their content with engaging visuals. From explainer videos to animated presentations, Haiper makes it easy to transform complex concepts into digestible and visually appealing content that keeps learners engaged and motivated to learn. 4. Personal branding. Individuals looking to build their personal brand can leverage Haiper AI to create polished and professional videos for their online presence. Whether it's crafting a standout intro for a YouTube channel, sharing inspirational messages on social media, or showcasing portfolio highlights, Haiper helps individuals establish a strong and memorable brand identity. 5. Event promotion. Haiper AI simplifies the process of creating promotional videos for events such as conferences, workshops, or product launches. Event organizers can quickly generate attention-grabbing videos to attract attendees, convey key information, and build excitement around their upcoming events. With Haiper's versatility and efficiency, event promotion becomes a seamless and impactful part of the planning process. While Haiper AI offers numerous advantages, it's essential to consider potential drawbacks. 1. Limited customization options. One disadvantage of Haiper AI is its limited customization options compared to traditional video editing software. Users may find themselves restricted in terms of effects, transitions, and other advanced editing features, which could limit the uniqueness and personalization of their videos. 2. Dependency on artificial intelligence algorithms. Haiper's reliance on artificial intelligence algorithms for video generation means that users may encounter occasional inaccuracies or inconsistencies in the output. Despite its advanced technology, artificial intelligence is not infallible, and users may need to invest additional time in refining or adjusting generated videos to meet their standards. 3. Potential for generic output. Another drawback of Haiper AI is the potential for generic output. Since Haiper relies on predefined templates and algorithms, there's a risk that generated videos may lack originality or fail to stand out from the competition. Users may need to invest extra effort in customizing videos to ensure they align with their brand identity or creative vision. 4. Learning curve for new users. While Haiper aims to simplify the video creation process, new users may still encounter a learning curve when navigating the platform and its features. Understanding how to maximize Haiper's capabilities and optimize video output may require time and experimentation, which could be perceived as a disadvantage for users seeking immediate results. 5. Subscription costs. While Haiper may offer a public demo or free trial, accessing its full range of features typically requires a subscription or payment. For users on a tight budget or those unwilling to commit to a monthly fee, the cost of using Haiper AI could be seen as a disadvantage compared to free or lower-priced alternatives. Additionally, subscription-based models may entail ongoing expenses that users need to consider carefully. In conclusion, Haiper AI presents a significant advancement in video creation technology, offering users a host of advantages such as accessibility, speed, and convenience. However, it's crucial to recognize and address potential disadvantages associated with its use. While Haiper excels in providing accessibility to a wide range of users through its public demo, there are limitations in customization options compared to traditional video editing software. Users may find themselves constrained by predefined templates and features, which could restrict the uniqueness and personalization of their videos. Additionally, the occasional inconsistencies in output due to reliance on artificial intelligence algorithms may require users to invest extra time in refining and adjusting their generated videos to meet their standards. Moreover, there's a risk of generic video generation with Haiper, where the output may lack originality or fail to stand out from competitors. This underscores the importance of creativity and customization in producing compelling visual content. Additionally, new users may encounter a learning curve when navigating Haiper's platform, requiring time and experimentation to fully understand its features and functionalities. Furthermore, subscription costs associated with Haiper's full range of features may deter some users, especially those on a tight budget or unwilling to commit to ongoing expenses. However, despite these drawbacks, Haiper remains a valuable tool for various user groups, including content creators, marketers, educators, and individuals seeking to streamline their video production process. By understanding and mitigating these disadvantages, users can maximize the benefits of Haiper AI and leverage its power to create captivating visual content that resonates with audiences. Ultimately, Haiper represents a promising evolution in video creation technology, offering innovative solutions to express ideas effectively in the digital age while continuously striving to improve and address user needs. That wraps it up for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting content like this in the future. See you next time.